Nagre-request yung asawa ko ng pagkain sa hapunan at ito yung request niya. Dahil galing ako sa market nung nakaraang araw at may nakita siyang sweet potato na dinadala ko at may gulay din tayo. So while sila ay nag-hangout ng kaniyang anak na si Liam, akala nyo anong ginagawa nila? Sobrang nag-i-enjoy yung dalawa. Dahil 3 screen ang meron kay daddy. Meron siyang laptop, tapos kinokonekta niya ng 2 screen. Kaya share silang ni Liam. So ako naman dito, while silang nanonood, ako ay nagluluto. At ito na pala, luto na pala ang ating sweet potato. So sobrang paborito niya itong sweet potato dahil kakaibang sweet potato kasi to. Hindi kasi to katulad ng sweet potato doon sa Norway na medyo basa, tapos like yellow ganyan. Eto, sobrang masarap tong mga sweet potato dito sa atin kasi mga ibang-ibang klase yung sweet potato na meron tayo. Meron tayong maputi, meron tayong like yellow na malabo, kakaiba. So, ngayon nagustuhan na talaga niyang sweet potato. Ayun, hinahain ko na at simula na ako magluluto ng ating pinakbet ala Jessa. So, dahil isa lang yung ating paglulutuan, wala tayong hindi ko nilagyan ng isang induction dyan dahil maliit lang yung space. Ayun. At nag-slice na rin ako ng tomato habang nagluluto dito sa ating pinakbet. Ayan. Pagkatapos niyan, eto yung request ng asawa ko. Gusto rin niya sweet potato with kamatis na nilalagyan ng buwad. Grabe yung request niya, di ba? At ito na, luto na siya. Meron na siyang sweet potato, meron na siyang pinakbet at sasubraan ko ng patis, at meron na yung nire-request niyang kamatis with dried fish, di ba? Sobrang paborito niya. At nagluto rin ako ng paboritong dried fish ni Liam. Okay, smile first. Can you hold that first and smile? Oh, stick in there. Yummy. His request today. Oh my God. Yeah. I thought he gonna request pizza.
Why? I have this. So there obviously me and Jess are joking about this, but it's a fact that a lot of, if not pretty much all of the foreigners we know that is with a Philippine woman, they really don't eat Philippine food, right?
No?
There is one.
Yeah.
I love Philippine food, and I think the reason they don't eat it, I think it's more like they're set in their ways, not willing to try new things.
Yeah, like this one. Axel first told me that he don't want because he thought it's different from his country. I told him there's a lot of different sweet potato in Philippines. See?
That's good. This is vegetables. It used to look nice and colorful, but then just burned them, I guess. So.
No, I overput soy, yes.
I can see. Because this is really vibrant colors, but for some reason it wasn't anymore. But that's fine. And then we have, of course, dried fish, yeah?
Axel's favorite type of dried fish.
So I prefer this one. It's 70 pesos per quarter.
Yes.
250 grams. So a lot of foreigners say that this is horrible food. It's really not. It's delicious, full of flavor. And since it's dried fish, it has 60 grams of proteins per 100 grams. You eat one of this, you basically eaten a big fish fillet worth of proteins. And it's cheap, right?
Yep.
Because you can get it even for like 40 pesos, even 35 pesos for 250 grams if you go for different types. And I get that not everybody can afford to buy this one, but I eat the other one too, if this one is not in the house, right, Ben?
Yeah.
But this is my preferred, and since we can kind of afford it, really not, because building a house is not cheap at all. But you know.
Look at how I'm so proud with Axel. He don't even peel the sweet potato.
Remember, I'm the one who teach you that, like in Norway, most people peel their potatoes, right? They didn't peel it back in Norway too.
Don't worry, guys. I watched that 2 times.
You bet.
Oh, of course. If it is not to watch,
This is good. And you add some of this.
it's called Malabu. Say it. Malabu.
Ooh.
Yes.
So, for those foreigners who live in Philippines, have a Philippine girlfriend, not willing to eat this, you don't know what you're missing out on. I've been traveling all over the world. I've been in so many countries, and some people laughing at me when I say that Philippine food is amongst the best cuisines I had in my life. I don't know. And I just checked. I made a video about it like 4 or 5 months ago. In 2023, Philippine cuisine came in. I don't remember the placements, but it was above Norway, Sweden, Denmark, above Germany. I think it was around the same place as Germany. I think it was actually above Germany. It was about pretty much everyone from every country that I know that has, like, all the foreigners that are here with Philippine girls. They come from countries with cuisines rated lower than Philippine cuisine. And they're not even willing to try it. This food should be proud because it's good, it's healthy. Not all of it healthy, of course. But this one is maybe a little bit heavy on the salt.